Hello students, welcome back to the second video on how to solve quadratic equations. Off was factorization method, but today we're gonna be using completing the square method. Okay, so these are the following things you guys need to know on how to complete the square. You can be asked to write it in the form a plus x whole square plus b, or you can be told to solve for x. So first off, we're going to focus on this method. So we're going to take the two equations we used in our last video and apply it to this one. So you can be told write in ax plus square plus b form. So this is example 1. So this is how our solution is going to be. We take the middle coefficient and divide it by 2. So in this case, it's 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now this is how to write it. X plus 3 whole square. Then you see the number which is inside here. We have to find the square of this number and subtract, take it away on the other side. So in this case, it's plus 5 minus 9. So the completed square form will be x plus 3 whole square minus 4 is your answer. Now, this doesn't stop here. This is the form. But if we want to solve for the values of x, this is what we do. We put square root on both sides. X plus 3 is equals to positive, negative, plus minus square root of 4. So to remove the square root, it's x plus 3 is equal to plus minus of 2. Now, to solve the value of x is equals to 3 plus 2. And x is equal to 3 minus 2. Negative 3 actually. Negative 3 minus 2. And these are our final x values. X is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you really liked this video and me teaching you guys how to complete the square in quadratics. And if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my math tutorials, and don't forget to follow my socials in the description. So I'll see you guys again soon for the video on the quadratic formula. Get ready for it and see you guys next time. Bye bye.